Hello and welcome dear learners. So this video tutorial is about Congrea, which is an online tool. So let's proceed further. The learning outcomes at the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to explore the different features of Congrea. So let us briefly see what is Congrea. It's a new generation scalable open source online virtual classroom environment, and it has been packaged with several value-added features such as audio-video interaction, chat poll, quiz, collaborative editor, and much more. And Congrea also enhances the learning experience by allowing the users to share media, documents, or even screen with their fellow participants. So in the earlier video tutorial, the first one on Congrea, we had seen how to schedule a session on Congrea, because this is a platform in which you can host a virtual lecture, a virtual session. And now, taking that into consideration that we have already scheduled a class, we shall now go back. So all you have to do is, now this I'm recording with the help of Screencasto-O-Matic. So you will be going to your Moodle, your platform. Now, if you are not a member of a particular Moodle, or if you do not have an access, you have one option to make an account and go to the homepage of Congrea and go with a free version or with a trial demo. Now, in this particular case, I'm using the platform of Moodle for Teachers because I'm pursuing a course right now. And this is the course name. It is Live Online Virtual Engagement. I'm thankful to them, to the course coordinator, Dr. Nelly Dodge, for giving the access and making this platform. So in the earlier first tutorial, we had already seen how to schedule a session. And since I have already scheduled a session, you can see my name. My name will be at the top of the session, the first session you can see. Now it is 4th May 2020, 1 a.m. And I have scheduled a 30 minutes session, and it will start in 1 minute. So once it is showing now it is not open yet. As soon as it is the time over or the time has come, then it will start. Right now it is just 1 minute to go. So at 1 a.m. it will be in a condition and we will start. So it's just a matter of 1 minute. So let's I'll just show you a brief view. When you go to the home page, now this is actually Congrea Live Online Virtual Engagement because I'm using the platform of this course. So the name is Congrea Globe, and here you can see the upcoming sessions. Here we have recorded sessions if there are any, and here we have already seen how to schedule. So now let us go and see the upcoming sessions. In the upcoming sessions, I'll show you. Yeah, the classroom is not open yet. Now let me go and check. In the case of these are all different people who have scheduled their classes. So mine is at 1 a.m. 4th May, and you can see it is already 4th May 1 a.m. So I can begin, and things are like that. So 30-minute session, upcoming session. So you can see join the virtual classroom. So once you join, this is how you join the virtual classroom on Congrea. So yeah, it is testing the browser compatibility. Next. Okay, next. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. So join the session. So once you go into the page, this is how your classroom will look like. Yeah, that's me because it is my session going on. And you can see this is how the portal will look. Now we are actually into the Congrea virtual classroom, and this particular video tutorial is to explore the different features which are present. So we will just explore one by one, and the next tutorial we will see how to use it. For example, on the left hand side you can see it's a whiteboard. So this actually screen is a whiteboard. Then we have document sharing. We have a screen share option with the help of which you can share your screen with the others. It's a share video. If you explore and if you wish to explore and share a video, you can share a video. Then you have poll. You can design some questions, and it's like a poll which will pop up during the session, and that will help you to give a real-time feedback. Then this is a quiz. You can incorporate quiz. Then you have option for text editor, where the access is given for the editing of a text. You have share presentation, and from this you can end the session. Then this is at the top of freehand, with the help of which you can use it for writing something. You have different shapes, for example, rectangle, line, circle, and triangle. So you can use one of them and use it. Then you have a text option by which you can incorporate and write text. You can customize. There are different options on font size. You have the access to different colors, and you can activate all and you can clear all. So it's actually a very user friendly. Now because it's night time now, and I have not invited people, so you cannot see others here. It's only me right now. But if I invite people and if they are joining, so they will be joining and they will be like learners in my class. Right now I'm just demonstrating the different features which are present in Congrea. You can see there is a plus icon, which is to incorporate and introduce a page. And with the help of this plus, you can zoom in. This is to fit to screen, and this is to zoom out. Webcam currently is disabled. I have not enabled. If you wish, you can enable the webcam. With the help of which you can move the sidebar. And here you have an option of settings. You can see these are all different options of audio, video, private chat. If you wish to have a private chat with someone, you can send a customized or a private message. You can have a common chat, that is very common. And you can raise a question, a user list, and marks and notes. So then at the bottom you have an option to add a bookmark. You have option to have a full screen. Here you can see the users list. Here you can have a common chat, raise a question if you wish to have a question raised, and add a note. So these are the different features of Congrea. In the coming session we will be seeing how to use all this different features in Congrea. So dear participants, I believe this session will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for being live with me, and it's been a pleasure to have you. And remember, we are teachers, we are right now, and we are all lifelong learners. That's it. And remember one thing, as I always say, change is mandatory, survival is optional. We teachers, we lifelong learners need to constantly update ourselves and keep ourselves in touch with the ever-changing scenarios. So keep learning, exploring, sharing. Thank you so much.